Hello, it's Rug Lover Mary for Luv-A-Rug in Victoria, and today I'm highlighting this hand-knotted Pakistan rug. And here's the back to show that you can see the pattern, you can see the knots and the fringes come up from the rug themselves. They're not attached afterwards. With this rug, we are going to clean it, and then we're going to remove the fringes because they're getting a bit worn and there's some stains in them as well. There's also something else a bit unique about this rug. The client has a dog, and the dog decided that it was going to clean up a spill. And you can see right here that there's some texture damage from the saliva of the dog. The fibers are matted down and flattened. And right now it looks like there could be textural difference, but hopefully after cleaning that will bounce back. So if you have a pet that is constantly licking the carpet due to spills or when they bathe themselves, to stop this from happening, you can just sprinkle a little black pepper on the rug. And once they get a nose full of that or a tongue full, it will be very unpleasant and help deter them from constantly licking your rugs, or even your wall-to-wall as well, so that this doesn't happen all the time to cause these areas of textural difference. So this has been Rug Lover Mary showing you a hand-knotted Pakistan rug before the fringes and cleaning have happened, and the textural difference hopefully will disappear. So when you have this happen, Luv-A-Rug can easily help your rug look like new again. This has been Rug Lover Mary for Luv-A-Rug in Victoria, BC. Thank you.